What happens when you mix bleach with vinegar? Mixing bleach and vinegar might seem harmless, but what you're actually creating is a toxic gas used in World War One. Yes, this do-it-yourself cleaning combo could send you straight to the hospital. Let's break it down. Bleach contains sodium hypochlorite. Vinegar is acetic acid. When these two meet, you trigger a dangerous chemical reaction that releases chlorine gas, which is a yellow-greenish soaking flavor. Even a small amount can cause severe coughing, chest pain, burning eyes, and if you are in a small bedroom, it could knock you out cold. You are basically recreating a battlefield gas in your kitchen. And it gets worse. Many store-bought cleaning products don't list full ingredients. So, if you layer a vinegar-based spray over a bleach toilet bowl cleaner, boom, you've made poison. Think twice before mixing household cleaners because a clean zinc isn't worth a trip to the emergency room. Thank you. See you in the next video.